This is the Homestead Diary. We're going to be going through and documenting the structural members of this high tunnel that we're taking down. The end pieces all along here had wooden uprights which were anchored along here, and you can see these spots there that anchored the top of the wall, and those pieces which we've taken down are here. And so as we move into the greenhouse, starting at the base of the wall, each corner of the greenhouse has a cross member going from inside bottom to outside top. And then looking up, we've got this cross member here, and then a second cross member here in the two end bays. Same sort of thing there. Cross member there in the two end bays. And then we've got the in between the peak, we've got a piece going in between from side to side all the way down, and the only places where those cross members are not is in the end pieces. Those are only on the interior bays. And so coming down, starting with the on the outside, we don't have a member here on where it breaks up, angle toward the top. And then, as you can see all along here, there is this piece which bolts in. And what it's essentially doing is it's mending together this break, even though there's a screw there that gives it more rigidity. This is a higher high tunnel than some of the other ones that we disassembled, so I think that's why that has that additional piece. And then running the entire length are three essentially purlins, is what I would call them, and it goes all the way down to the end, and it hooks in below, so you can see that this cross piece here, these long purlins hook in below that cross piece, approximately I'd say 16 inches below that on that side. And they come over to this side, and it's slightly different. So this has to do with where we're going to have the holes in the pieces, and we need to make sure that we label these so they go on the correct side, because it's obviously a difference side to side. And then you can see the top piece is offset, and I don't know exactly why that is that way. The person from whom we bought these didn't know either. She didn't assemble them herself. She hired someone to do it. So anyway, that's that part. Now we'll look at the sides and assembly there. So, as you can see, laying down here, these are some curtains that raise and lower. There's a pulley system. Every so often, about every 10, 12 feet, there's a pulley. And that hooks in to the system to raise and lower this as one unit when it's hooked up to the hand crank. And then, let's see, right below where these two join is where the boards are bolted in. There's a single screw there and screw there to hold the brackets in place, and then board bolts there. And yeah, what else? That's pretty much it. Pretty simple design. Observing that where that corner piece there is actually attached along the side, and this board is the remains of that on this side, and it's attached with a bracket here and then nailed in down below. And that pretty much sums it up. Y'all have a blessed day.